Hello and welcome to my Son Different. Today we're going to be opening these boxes and see what's inside of them. I bought this small haul because it was for a little spring cleaning project that I had started and never finished. So the first thing I got are in this little bag. I got a cute little outfit. This was $3. It came with top and bottom, so I'm gonna have to be careful. So this is kind of like the red one that I had. This is, I think, the neck. It's one size fits all, everybody. This is the top. This is actually the bottom. So, I mean, you can see right through it. So, it's not like something that you can wear, like, you know what I mean? Like as a bikini cover or something. Definitely not. But this is a halter top. And these are just bottoms. They're not boy shorts or nothing. So, this is the side. If I can show you. Like this. And that kind of goes around the seam. And the tummy part is like this. And as well as the back is the same, exact same. So it's like all kind of the same theme. The seam is like this. And I like it. It's really cute. That's the neck. But let me put this to the side. And see what's in here. The big box. And we have, okay. So here's the first one. And this one I thought was really cute. And I'm starting to like change my mind about little things, but all in all, it's still spring cleaning. So I'm gonna get a bunch of my stuff and put it in these bags. And so this is just the one. And it's a big storage bag. You can put anything in here. Christmas stuff, Halloween stuff, blankets, winter clothes, sports gear, whatever linens that you don't use right now. And this will keep them safe. This is very sturdy. Like I said, it has like a handle on it. The zipper goes all the way around. So I mean, it's pretty sturdy. If you're going on a trip or something like that, you can put all the things that you need to access right in here. And oh, the thing that I was changing my mind about was that I wanted my setup to be on the floor. But then I thought about it, and I quite don't like the idea of eating on the floor. But I had already ordered these, which are furniture pegs. So you can just stick these in, and they will easily Oh, I thought I need to, but they'll easily just give you either extra support or some support. This is only like, I believe it's an inch and a half or so. So it's not that much length. But I mean, if you need that much extra just to rise it everything a little bit. So I saw these being used for desk legs. So like a table or like some type of seat. And these are also storage bags, but these are thick ones. So if you need to store things in here that, you know, you don't want damaged, it's let me see if it tells you the thickness of the plastic you put your stored items in is important because it has to go along with durability. And if they are in some flimsy little plastic bag, like say this bag, they're not gonna be safe. They're gonna get dusty, they could get broken. I mean, they could just easily be knocked around and you'll never find them. So I mean, it's good to have like a solid storage bag, like, you know, the canvas ones. And like, see how some plastic you just can tear into, but if you buy thicker plastic bags, that'll help you preserve your items. And so it comes with ties, which is cute because you can use these for gift baskets too. Mother's Day is coming up, so but like I said, I just bought these for storage, and I will be using these to finish up my little cleaning project. And yeah. So I got two of those little storage things. One for mother, one for me, right? And let's see what else I got in here. I got this bamboo shoe rack. And I got this for my things that I want to put away, like makeup, my laptop, just things that I want to just put on a shelf and just store it when it's not in use. I know everybody's gonna be like, but when is it not in use? Actually, it's always in use, but it was a good idea at the time. See how some of the things don't really. I bought these for $1.49, I think. So these are like $1.50 Amazon brand. And this is chicken breast. So I thought this was a good deal. I want to make some curry. So watch out in case I make that recipe soon. Hopefully. And I have a rug. This is a 5x7 rug I bought at the Amazon warehouse. It is a good, durable rug. You can wash it. You can throw it in the washer, believe it or not. It's pretty solid. Like I said, it's good quality and it's in good condition. So, I mean, there's a lot of rugs out there in the warehouse if you find them under $15 that are pretty big. You can see good quality. This is super soft. So I like the color. For me, it was either this color or black. So I kind of don't like black in my house because like I come from a family, like, and me myself, we kind of tend to opt for black, which is like an easy color for us to go to. So I kind of like to change things up because I don't know, I just feel like, you know, you could kind of expand your diversity in interior decorating a little bit. And see where that leads you, see how it changes your perspective on the world, to see things from a different point of view. And for me, that's important. It's important to embrace your own, you know, your own likes and ways, but also, you can switch up and diversify your environment, and it'll help you gain a perspective, like I said. So thank you guys for watching, and like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. My son different. Bye bye.